everyone and welcome back to another video on the channel Mom's Cooking. No, it's not Mom's Cooking, it's Herman's Cooking. You guys must be wondering, what am I doing in the kitchen today? I have a surprise for Herman. Guys, it's Herman's birthday today and I decided to bake his favorite cake, which is the carrot cake. So without further ado, let's bake the cake. It's time to mix all the ingredients as I have grated the carrots. And first I'm going to put the eggs. Now I'm going to add a baking soda into the warm milk and a baking powder. Mix them around nicely. Leave it on a side while we mix all other ingredients. I'm going to add the white sugar into the beaten eggs as well as our cooking oil. Mix all these three ingredients around nicely until the sugar dissolves nicely with the eggs and the oil. Now I'm going to add the mixture of baking soda and the baking powder into eggs and sugar and oil, as well as a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix all of them around well. Now it's time to go for the white flour into the mixer. Mix it well. This is how the mixer should look. It's time to add the carrots, the main ingredient. It's a carrot cake and walnuts. I also prefer a little bit of orange zest into my cake, just to give a bit of a citrusy flavor. Mix them around nicely. This is how all the ingredients will mix well into each other and the consistency. So now it's time, this ingredient should go into the baking tin. Now it's time to grease our baking tin nicely all around. Time to pour our ingredient into the tin. I have covered the cake with the tin foil and now it's ready to go into the oven. The temperature 180 degrees Celsius. Now we wait for 45 to 50 minutes cake to bake, and make sure to keep an eye on your cooking. Don't say Mom did not say so, because Mom did. This is tiring. While our cake is baking in the oven, we should make a cream cheese icing for the cake. I have taken a cream cheese Soften butter. And the icing sugar. Mix them all well, nicely. So this is what our icing should look like. Nice and smooth. I'm also going to add a little bit of lemon zest into it. Mix it well. Along with the cream cheese icing, I'm also going to make a whipped cream because Herman really likes whipped cream. I have taken a cream. I'm going to add a sugar. I'm going to whip hard. Cake is ready. It's time to decorate our cake. I have cut cake in half and I'm going to apply a cream cheese icing. Cake is ready, decoration is ready. Now we wait for Herman. Looks like he's here. Hello, who's there?
Hello, it's me, Herman.
I'll open the door for you.
Thank you.
Oh, hi. Nice and early.
Yeah, I had my free period lost today, so
Okay.
decided to come home early.
That's nice.
Yeah. So, how are you?
Good, good. I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yes, just close your eyes.
Okay. Wonder what it is.
Open your eyes.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, Mom. It's such a great decoration you've done here with the colorful balloons, the happy birthday, and you even got my name here colored with different colors. It's so beautiful.
Look at here.
No way! Is that my favorite cake, the carrot cake?
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, Mom, it's so beautiful. The decoration is amazing.
Yes.
Oh man, oh Mom, thank you so much. This is one of the best birthdays I've had, and this is going to be such a memorable birthday to me. Thank you so much,
Welcome.
Mom.
Welcome, pleasure.
Such beautiful cake. I cannot wait to eat this cake, Mom. Wow, such an amazing cake. Beautiful. Wow, it's my older brother Gary, huh? Hey, man.
Hey, birthday boy, how's it going?
Good, thanks, man. How are you?
I'm good. It's the big 18 today.
Yeah, it's my... Yeah, not too bad. I'm excited. It's my 18th, but I wish you were here. Where are you?
Well, you know, I'm on a business trip, but I'll be back soon and we can celebrate again. But have fun without me today. Alright.
Okay, man. Don't worry. Have a good day, man. See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Let's cut the cake, but where's Dad?
Dad has to go somewhere very urgent. So,
Okay.
but he said he'll be here in the evening.
Well, he better. It's my 18th.
I know.
Okay.
You wanna cut the cake?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Wow, Mom,
Look at it, Herman.
the cake is so beautiful. I can really see the carrots, the walnuts, and even in the middle of the cake, there's like cream.
Cheese,
The cream
yeah.
cheese icing. Yeah, so beautiful. Can't
Yeah.
wait to eat this.
Here you go. Happy birthday, boy.
Oh my god, so beautiful, Mom. I can really taste the carrots and the walnuts. The crunch from the walnuts is amazing. And the cake is nice and dense. And you know, I really like dense cakes.
Yeah.
And this is one of the best cakes, Mom. And I really appreciate your cooking today.
I'm pleased.
Amazing.
very
I'm gonna have
pleased.
another bite of this.
Yeah. Go for it. It's all yours.
And your turn too.
It is amazing.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm exhausted, guys. That is it for today's video. Since it's Herman's 18th birthday, very special video for him. Make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button hard, guys. That will be your birthday gift to Herman. And share the video with your friends and family. For now, have a good day.